Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. Are you having issues with your Office package? You are receiving this kind of errors like this action couldn't be performed because Office encountered an error. Or you are seeing some kind of other errors like this one here. The application was unable to start correctly. The solutions that I'm going to provide to you guys most probably will work, but in case that they don't work, please write on the comments below so we can check what are some other possibilities in order to fix this kind of problems. And if you know some other solutions how to fix this kind of problems with Office package, please write your solutions on the comments below. The first solution that we need to do is to go over programs. So we go at search and we type settings. The methods that I'm going to show to you guys are for Windows 11, but they work on the same way for Windows 10, so they are easily applicable on Windows 10. So let's go at search and we type here settings. Once you see the app settings, you just click over it in order to open. And then from the options on the left, you need to click over apps and then you go over installed apps. Over here we can see all the applications that are installed in my computer. We are interested for the Office package, so we scroll down till we find the Office package. So here it is, my Office package, and in order to repair the Office package, we need to click over these three dots here, and then we choose Advanced Options. And over here we can see that if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't be affected. So we click over Repair and it will start the repairing of the Office package. Also, we have another option here which says if this app still isn't working right, reset it. So by resetting it, we are able to delete all the data on Office package, and most probably after this, your applications will work after this reset. And the last thing that you can try is to uninstall the Office package and then install it again. In case that you cannot see advanced options when you click over these three dots over here, then most probably you are using another version of your Windows operating system or another type of Office package. And if that's the case, when you click over these three dots, then it's gonna show this other command which is called modify. We click over modify and then it will show you these options which are change your installation of Microsoft Office Professional, and the options will be repair, remove, etc, etc. But the one that we are interested is the one which is called repair, and we select repair and then we click over continue. By doing so, Microsoft Office will be repaired. The steps are the same if you are using Office 365. And let's go back once again to the installed apps and let's search for Office 365. I have also Microsoft 365 apps installed on my computer. We go again over these three dots and then we select modify. And here we are. Now it is showing me how would you like to repair your Office programs. And now we have two options: quick repair, fix most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and online repair, fixes all issues but take a little longer and requires an internet connection. I'm gonna choose the second option because I have internet connection and it's okay if it takes a little bit longer. So I'll click over repair, ready to start an online repair. Yes, we click over repair. This was another method how you can repair the Office package in case that you are using Office 365 or a standard Office package like Office 2020 or 2016, etc. Another option that you may need to try in case that you are having issues with your Office package is to download Microsoft Visual C++. I'll put the link on the description below so you can come directly on this page and you download the latest version of Visual Studio. In this case, it's going to be 2022, and you have here three options based on your architecture of your computer. Most probably you are using x64, so you just click over here x64 and then the download will start. So you have to download Microsoft Visual C++ and you install it, and after that this will help to solve the problems that you may have with your Word application or any type of program that you are using from Office package and they are not running correctly or they are not opening at all. So now we install this It's pretty easy. You just have to double click over the executable file. So here we have to agree the license terms and we press install, and it will take some minutes to install it, but that's pretty much what you have to do in order to install the Microsoft Visual C++. So basically these were some of the methods that you can use in order to repair your Office package, or in case that you are having issues with your Word application or PowerPoint or whatever application that you are using. I hope that you liked this video, and please do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.